Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Following that, click on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and click on the best one for you to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to try something else, go back to the same settings, but this time tap on Download Fonts instead. Now just download the best font style for you. And when it's ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, apply it by clicking on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!